Alright, let's dive straight into it. Love handles, those stubborn areas of fat around the waist that many of us struggle with. But fear not, I've got 11 tips to help you reduce those love handles and achieve a slimmer waistline. Tip number 1. Incorporate high thermic foods into your diet. These are foods that require more energy to digest, helping to boost your metabolism and burn more calories. Next up, cut back on sugar and refined carbs. These can lead to excess fat storage, especially around the midsection. Opt for whole grains and complex carbs instead. Tip 3. Consume soluble fiber and healthy fats. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied, while healthy fats like avocados and nuts support overall health and weight loss. Don't forget to lift weights. Strength training builds muscle, which in turn helps to increase your metabolism and burn more fat, including those love handles. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is another fantastic way to torch calories and target stubborn fat. Incorporate HIIT workouts into your routine for maximum results. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night to support your body's natural fat-burning processes. Reduce your alcohol intake. Alcoholic beverages are high in empty calories and can contribute to weight gain, especially around the waistline. Load up on vegetables. They are low in calories but high in nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, making them essential for weight loss and overall health. Consider trying intermittent fasting. This eating pattern can help regulate your appetite, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote fat loss, including those pesky love handles. Incorporate these tips into your lifestyle, stay consistent, and be patient. Remember, reducing love handles takes time and dedication, but with the right approach, you can achieve your goals. So, let's say goodbye to those love handles and hello to a healthier, happier you.